Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you another powerful new feature in Atlassian administration, scoped API keys. If your organization uses API keys to automate tasks or integrate with external tools, this update gives you a much finer level of control over what those keys are actually allowed to do. My name is Marvin, and I'm working as a technical support engineer DevOps at Resolution.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time. Ready to shine. Brighter than all of the lights. 'Cause when it's game time.
So what's the problem with traditional API keys? In the past, an organization API key was essentially all or nothing. Once created, it could be used to read, write, and delete data across your organization. That's a large attack surface. If a key leaks, an attacker can do a lot of damage. Scoped API keys fix this by letting you define exactly which actions a key can perform: read only, write, or delete. Now let me show you how to create a scoped API key. I will start in Atlassian administration. And now I go to organization settings and API keys. You can see already the overview of all created API keys, but let's have a look on this later and just click here, create API key. Now you can decide if you want to create still an API key without scopes, which is not recommended, or you will create an API key with scopes. Click on next and give it a name. Let's say it read only demo. You can here already set an expiration date. It's recommended. And let's click on next. Here you can now select this key scopes. You will get a table which you could result per page, change it to 14 to get an overview of all results. But you can already search for a scope or switch here the scope action and filter it by read only. Now you will only get scopes or scope action with read level. You could select all, or if you want, just select the needed read scopes. Now click on next and you will get a review to check what you would or which kind of API key you would create. And now click on create API key. The most important thing here on this page is you need to copy this API key and save it somewhere else in a password manager, for an example, because you won't see it again. If you don't copy it, there's no chance to get this information later. Just click on done. And now you will see this new API key in the list. It was created by Andy admin. There are 2 scopes selected. It was never used so far, and it will expire next year. So even if this API key is compromised, an attacker cannot use it to modify or delete anything in your organization. There's one more thing. For existing keys that don't have scopes yet, Atlassian recommends rotating them to new scoped keys to follow the principle of least privilege. You can see all active keys, their scope and their expiry date right here in the API key page. To summarize, scoped API keys let you apply the principle of least privilege to your Atlassian integrations. You decide whether a key can only view, also write, or additionally delete, keeping your organization much safer. Head to admin.atlassian.com. Settings API keys to get started. See you next time.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time. Ready to shine.